Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a very beautiful mehndi design for your backhand. Friends, remember, always use thicker keep for applying mehndi on the back side. Start the design from the back side of your wrist and make curvy petals. Continue the design by making petals along with each petal. To make the design more beautiful, I am drawing some random lines and half flowers to make it more beautiful. Finish the design on the last finger. Make half flower and leave some random lines on the thumb. Now, draw beautiful small flowers and petals and fill them with mehndi to give the complete look for this backhand mehndi design. Friends, do try this design. It will look very beautiful. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel.